Hi everyone, good day. Welcome back to our next video. In this video, we will see how to do hexadecimal to binary conversion. Consider the hexadecimal number 2A3 to the base 16. Let us see how to convert this hexadecimal number to a binary number. Each digit of this hexadecimal number is represented by 4 bits in binary. Why 4 bits? Because 4 bits in binary is sufficient to accommodate the hexadecimal number from 0 to 9 and the equivalent numbers from 10 to 15, that is the letters A to F, which is equivalent to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively. So it is sufficient to accommodate these values. As we already know that when we have n bits in binary, it can accommodate values in the range from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. So since here we have n is equal to 4 bits, we can accommodate a range of values from 0 to 2 power 4 minus 1, which is 0 to 15. So we can accommodate the range of values from 0 to 15. So in hexadecimal also we have values from 0 to 9. Then to represent 10 to 15 we have the digits A to F. Let us see how each hexadecimal digit is represented in binary and let us find the equivalent binary value for each hexadecimal digit from 0 to 9 and the letters from A to F. Starting from the least significant bit position, the positional values for the 4 bits are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So the expanded values, we will have it as 8, 4, 2, 1. Now we will see how the values from 0 to F are converted to its equivalent binary value. So the hexadecimal value from 0 to F, how to convert it to the equivalent binary value. So first take the value 0. So since it is the 0 value, all the bits will become 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, for the hexadecimal number 1, so we need to make for the first bit alone. So where we are having the value 1, that bit alone is made to 1. The remaining bits are 0. 0, 0, 0, 1. Then take the value hexadecimal number 2. So here the bit which is having the value 2 alone will become 1. The other bits will be 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. Then take the value 3. So for 3, we need to highlight the values bit position 2 and 1. So those values alone will be highlighted to 1. So 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So those position alone will be highlighted to 1. The remaining values will become 0. 0, 0, 1, 1. Next value is 4. So at bit position 4 alone will become 1. The remaining values will be 0. So similarly, we have to do for the rest of the values. So 5, it will be 0, 1, 0, 1. So highlight 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So that position alone you will be highlighting it to 1. The other value is 0. 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. So 4 plus 2 will give 6. Then for 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. For 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. For 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 8 plus 1 will give you 9. Then we have the letters A to F. So A's equivalent value is 10. So it becomes 1, 0, 1, 0. So 8 plus 2 will give you 10. Then for B, 1, 0, 1, 1. Similarly for C, D, E and F. For C, 1, 1, 0, 0. For D, 1, 1, 0, 1. For E, 1, 1, 1, 0. For F, all ones. So 8 plus 4 will give you 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So all the bit positions will have the value 1. So these are the equivalent binary value for the hexadecimal values from 0 to F. So by using this, you can use this table and convert the hexadecimal number to a binary number. Now let us take the hexadecimal number which we have taken 2A3. So the equivalent value for 3 is 0011. The equivalent value for A is 1010. The equivalent value for 2 is 0010. So write all together 0010, 1010, 0011 to the base 2. So this is the equivalent binary value for the given hexadecimal number. Let us see a quicker way of converting hexadecimal number to binary. As we know, each digit of hexadecimal number is represented by 4 bits of binary. We will consider the same example and we will convert 2A3. So each hexadecimal number represented by 4 bits in binary. Write down the positional values for each bit position. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, which is 8, 4, 2 and 1. So directly we can use this expanded value. So just remember that directly use the expanded value 8421. So the first hexadecimal number is 3. So the equivalent binary value will be 0011. So 2 plus 1 will give you 3. So that position alone we will put as 1 bit. Next hexadecimal number is A. Write the positional values 8, 4, 2, 1. Now A is equivalent to 10. So to make this value as 10, so we need to put 1 in the positions 8 and 2. So which becomes 1, 0, 1, 0. Then we have the hexadecimal number 2. So write the positional values 8, 4, 2, 1. So since it is 2, we have to make at the bit position 2, it will be highlighted as 1. So the other values will be 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is the equivalent binary value. Now write it together 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 to the base 2. So this is how we convert hexadecimal to binary. Hope this video was useful to you. Kindly like, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.